Today, there will be no intro. Let's just come straight to the facts. India's average annual particulate matter 2.5 levels are about 55 micrograms per cubic meter, which is more than 10 times higher than the World Health Organization guidelines. India emits about 3 gigatons of greenhouse gases each year, which is 7% of the world's emission. The World Health Organization estimates that air pollution in India is responsible for over 1.2 million deaths each year. It also estimates that air pollution in India causes a yearly economic loss of $150 million. New Delhi, Meerut, Hapur, Faridabad and Noida are among the most polluted cities in India. Now you guys might know why I'm wearing a mask, because currently I am in Delhi. As well, India is among the countries most affected by climate change and is ranked third globally in terms of pollution. Pollution हम इंसानों की ही creativity है. Congratulations to us, the only species that destroys its home with such style of confidence. क्या बात है? Cutting trees like it's a competition, polluting rivers as if we will get awards for it, and filling the air with toxic gases. Truly inspiring. Technology is our future, they said, but forgot that oxygen is our present. हम शायद भूल गए हैं कि जो पेड़ हम काटते हैं असल में वही हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. Seriously, who needs trees when we have air purifiers, right? Artificial air, artificial water. बस एक दिन आर्टिफिशियल ह्यूमंस बनाने की भी न्यूज आ जाएगी. बट हियर्स द ट्विस्ट, नेचर इज पेशेंट बट नॉट ब्लाइंड. आज तक वार्निंग दे रही है. फ्लड्स, ड्रॉट्स, वाइल्ड फायर्स. समझ लो, ट्रीज आर नॉट डेकोरेशन पीसेस, दे आर लाइफ सपोर्ट सिस्टम्स. अगर हम अभी भी नहीं सुधरे तो एक दिन अमेज़न फॉरेस्ट की फोटो देख के कहना पड़ेगा ये क्या होता था. So next time you litter, burn plastic or ignore a tree plantation drive, just remember, Earth doesn't need us, we need it. Wake up or choke up, the choice is yours.